guys, welcome back to Tinkerz Labs. Yes, it's Tony's grandson again, and today we're going to be reviewing this lock with the code 3130 on it. Okay, let's get into it. So step 1, going in. Ooh, that's a bit rough. Ooh, yeah, that's not really that good with the going in. The turning, although, is really good, and taking it out isn't that well either. And let's see how. Oh my god, I can't push that in. It's not going in. That's really bad. And I'd also like to mention that this is a master lock. Master. And are these are probably bolts that are holding the things together? I don't know. But I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's like oil. This stuff is goopy. Goopy and gross. Ugh. Ugh. Okay, so this is an overall rate 4 out of 10. It's not that good. Don't buy a better lock than this. Just don't buy this one. Okay, bye.